Trying to figure out the radio. Let there be light. Oh, you turned it off. What happened? Darn thing. What's wrong with it? Look at it close. Did it come back on? You broke it again. Uh-oh. What happened? What'd you do to it? You fixed it. It's broke again. Oh, man. What the heck? Broke. Oh, you fixed it.
Jim Murphy Live at Lifestyle Furniture for another Tiger ticket stop. We've got a couple pair of tickets you have to give away, and you could be a winner. All you have to do is come and fill it up.
Uh-oh. Broke it. Broke it.
Come by. We're at Lifestyle
Fixed.
Furniture, and you know where that is, on Broadway. Right now, I would say still you probably want to avoid College and Broadway if you're headed this way, because there's still problems with the lights there. But come on by. It'll only take you a minute to
What happened?
You can hang out with us for a few minutes to see if you're a winner.
What happened?
Take 3 more pair. It could be you. Right. All new Cadillac Ridges Scratchers tickets on the Missouri line.
What happened?
Brand new Cadillac vehicles for up to $100,000 means with this ticket, luck comes standard. Plus there's an
What happened? Did it scare you?
instantly unlock up to $100,000.
Ah!
Cadillac SRX.
What is it doing?
CTS Sports Sedan. Cadillac Escalade. With the all-new Cadillac Ridges Scratchers ticket from the Missouri Lottery. Drive home with 1 to 2 minutes break state parking.
Want some music? Hi, Lexee.
So give us a call at
What's it saying?
Opportunity.
Is that right? Is that what it's saying?
Save your grade.
What's it doing?